Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to download Betway app in your phone. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, you need to be connected to a Wi-Fi, and once you're connected to Wi-Fi, go to your app store. Once you open up your app store, go to the search bar, then type in Betway. Once you type it in, you'll get these kind of results. From this, click on this icon. Then tap on this get button. After that, you'll have to confirm your download. If you don't have Face ID feature in your phone, you'll have to enter your password and wait for the app to be downloaded. Once you download the app, tap on this open button. And once the app opens, you can log into your account and start using the app. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.